Yeah, we just woke up this morning and my boy just woke up. How are you? So anytime we wake up in the morning, yeah, he's trying to show me some beds. Look at that. Look at the bed. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, look at it there. See, look at the bed. Ee. So we come around to look at beds in the morning. Look at that one. See, right? So my boy always giving that beautiful vibes in the morning, and anytime he wakes up here, he must come to daddy and talk to daddy and look at daddy. And you know daddy loves you, right? Oh, look at them, they're playing. Look at them on the electric pole. See, they're playing. Can you see? So, say good morning, guys. Subscribe to our channel. Say good morning, guys. Hello, daddy. He has his own channel, and the name of his channel is King Josiah on the Door. Look at them. So many birds this morning. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. And this time, as I'm getting ready to get my videos ready, my movies ready, and just taking this time with my son to do videos for you guys to see. And the reason why he's quiet, he just woke up, so that's why he's quiet. And sometimes I just need to document all those videos for him, so that when he grows up, he will look at them. Abby? Daddy,